Hey, join me while we look at factoring the following polynomial. So first we're going to find the factors and then we're going to find the product. The factors are pretty straightforward. The 4xy squared is actually a factor, even though it doesn't look like the normal factor that we're used to. So when listing your factors, 4xy squared is the first one, and 3x plus 8y is the second one. Now we can find the product using those factors. We're going to start by multiplying the 4 by the 3 and the 8, so always starting with the actual numbers first. That gives me 12 and 32. Now I can move on to my variables. Looking at the x in the first factor and finding all my other x's in the second factor. So when you have variables, you actually add the exponents together. So how many x's do you have in the first one? 2. Now the 8y doesn't have an x, but the 4 does, so we'll have 1x. Now we can move on to finding the y's. Y squared in the first factor and y in the second. There is no y in the 3x, so it's just a y squared for the first term, and then y squared times y gives me y to the third, because again, you're adding the exponents. So now we have our factors, and we have our product. I hope this helps, and be sure to check back later for more.